in the car at 8:41 p.m. on March 23rd, and we're headed to our show at the Shine Saloon.
Headed to the show at the Shine Saloon.
Rich, how do you feel about that? Are you ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. It's 8:42 right now. Word is we got pushed back till 11:30 because almost saved the best for last, which we're coming out right before the headlining band, which is really good for us because it shows that, hey, you're not just an opener, you're not just a filler, but you are
Direct support.
Second best.
That's
pretty
right.
much. And second best is better than, like, you suck ass, I guess.
That's right. I like to call it direct support. That's what I call it.
Direct support's cool.
I call it direct support. When you're opening for the headliner, direct support.
Well, also, when you play right before the headliner, like, the first band on is you, and the headliner decides they're going to switch spots with three other bands and play right after you, that's second
I remember that.
That's still second best, but like I said, it's better than the first worst or loser.
Would you say that band got scared by our machismo?
I would say that they recognize the talent and our musical instruments, that we only play the best. Pearl, Custom Port Series, Cobra drum pedals, Zildjian cymbals, and Remo drum pads.
What about Les Paul guitars?
I guess it's alright from what I hear, but I don't even care about that. But right now, what is cool is we are on the streets in Las Vegas right now driving to our show, and cool kids riding this car, which is this car, and the other guys are in front of us, and that big ass SUV thing, and they don't count because they're retards.
Oh shit, that is them.
I know, that's crazy. So, we don't have a tour bus yet, but hopefully we'll get one, or a van, or a minivan, or your mom can take us. I don't give a shit. But we're going now. This is real life. We're headed to our show, and you're going to miss it because you're watching it on the YouTube or the MySpace or the Facebook or
the face page.
The face page. And we're going to rock it tonight. So we love you, and we'll see you soon.